Today's ModelSearch topic is the use and implementation of multi-CAD files within ModelSearch. First, let's take a look at the ModelSearch integration in Creo. For that, we open a multi-CAD file from Windchill, such as a CATIA file. The search result will then appear in the lower right corner of the interface, allowing to access the model separately or loading all into one assembly. Furthermore, it is also possible to access the model's information page in Windchill, where you can gather additional details about the models. Finally, you have the option to compare the models. The built-in algorithm automatically determines the optimal position for comparison, regardless how the models were created or their location is. One model is highlighted in red, while the other model is displayed in transparent green. Additionally, there are two difference models available. One where the geometry of the second model is subtracted from the first model, and another where the geometry is created the other way around. The latter case represents the complete difference between the two models in our scenario. Wouldn't it be great to determine if a required sheet metal part already exists in an easy way? Well, with ModelSearch that's exactly possible. Simply put in known attributes, such as main dimensions, and initiate the parameter search. As you add more attributes, the results become increasingly more detailed. Now, let's focus on searching for a SolidWorks model. The results will include similar models even if they were created using different CAD systems like Creo, NX, Inventor or CATIA. It is worth noting that similarity searches also work seamless with assemblies. But there's more to explore. ModelSearch allows you to analyze assemblies as well. This functionality triggers similarity searches for each component within the assembly, regardless of the assembly's complexity. You can even set a similarity threshold, ensuring that only models with a rating higher than 80% are listed. Additionally, a separate table below provides an opportunity to verify the identified similar models. ModelSearch for Multicad is a powerful tool for finding and utilizing existing CAD models from various CAD systems. From Windchill, an overarching CAD part search can be triggered despite the CAD software used. With our AI-based similarity calculation, a quick search result is guaranteed. By utilizing ModelSearch, it becomes significantly more effective finding and reusing existing models. No more wasting time manually sifting through numerous options or recreating existing designs. Ready to step up your digitalization process? We are looking forward to hearing from you.